In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import XML files in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you've ever needed to move an edit from another program into Premiere Pro, or you're collaborating with someone who sent you an XML, this process is what brings that timeline into your project. An XML is a small instruction file that tells Premiere where your clips go, how they're cut, and often includes basic effects, transitions, and markers. It doesn't contain the actual media. It references it, which is why importing it correctly is so important. Start by opening Adobe Premiere Pro and having a project ready. You can use an existing project or a fresh one. It's up to you. With your project open, go to the top menu and choose File. Then select Import. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+I on Windows or Command+I on a Mac. This opens your system's file browser. Navigate to where your XML file is stored. Look for the file with the .xml extension, select it, and open it. Premiere will read the instructions in the XML and bring the timeline and related bins into your project panel. You'll typically see a new sequence created, along with folders of clips that correspond to what was in the original edit. That's normal and helps keep things organized. Depending on how the XML was created and where your media lives, you may notice that Premiere quickly processes the file and then you're ready to go. Once it's in, you can open the sequence and scrub through to confirm everything looks as expected. There's also a quick alternative if you prefer to work directly from your file system. Open the folder on your computer where the XML is saved. Position your Premiere Pro window and the folder so you can see both. Then simply click and drag the XML file from the folder into the Premiere Pro project panel or straight onto the application window. Premiere will interpret it the same way and add the sequence and bins to your project. A few helpful tips as you work. Keep your media and XML in a well-organized folder structure so Premiere can find everything. Name your XML clearly to avoid confusion, and remember that XML is about structure, not media, so your original footage locations matter. After importing, take a moment to scan your sequence so you're confident the timeline matches what you expected. And that's all you need to import XML files into Adobe Premiere Pro, either through the File menu or by dragging and dropping.